The only time I ever cut southern yellow pine is when I need dimensional lumber for a project on my property. So we're going to cut this one into some 16-foot 2x6's. If you've watched my channel at all, you know that I only cut very hard hardwoods. White oak, red oak, ash, hickory, and whatnot. So cutting this southern yellow pine is like, literally is like cutting butter. But man, it makes some absolutely gorgeous dimensional lumber. Look at these 2x6's. And before anyone asks, yes, they are cut to a regular big box spec 1.5" by 5.5" because I need joist hangers for when I build this lean-to that I'm building, and you know they only make them for the dimensional lumber that they sell in the big boxes. Ended up with 16 beautiful 16-foot 2x6's.